kami guys kasi nag-ano pa kami, nag-drive pa. Parang late na kami sa opening kaya parang wala ng activity. Let's see. Meron pa. Yan, parang tapos na yata. Look. Yan. What? What? What one? Okay, let's go. Yes? Well, what is that? What? Yung ginawa lang namin kasi medyo late na, nagpa-picture na lang kami at nag-donate para kay Santa Claus. Then actually tomorrow meron ding activity, so I will try to go there. Kasi dito konti lang. Kasi before free yung mga rides, but now may bayad na siya. So magbibili lang ako for Alexander and then uuwi na kami guys. Umuwi na si James. Alexander. Yan guys, yan yung aming pinuntahan pero late na kami. Oh. Okay, what you want I do now?
No, I want to eat it. Let's hold it.
Okay. Madami yung tao kanina. Pero now, konti na lang.
I want to eat the water.
Okay. Let's go. So ayan guys, late kami guys. Pero hopefully next year hindi kami malate. Kasi kanina si Afam, gusto niya sana sumama. Tapos napagod siya. So yun, nag-cancel na lang. Punta kami tomorrow sa isang place. And maybe 5 or 4 kami pupunta doon. So try natin ulit. Pero it's not as nice as last year. Or baka super late lang kami. Kaya ganito. Baka late lang kami.